Hi, so in this video, I'm going to talk about some things that I can't live my life without. So I bought some things that I'm going to use to make a video. And some of them I bought specifically for that, some I didn't. But I just wanted to start this as a kind of intro video to me. So one of the first things that I want to show you is this. It's cute. This is what I'm going to use to help me stay organized while making videos with my thoughts and everything like that. Oh, as you can see, this is kind of a mess set up right now. I'm in between two doors. So I'm hoping that I'll have a better space soon, but I have to organize and clean up. That's part of my problem, is organization. Let's see. Another thing I bought specifically for making videos, probably because I have no impulse control, is this. It's a microphone. I'm excited to use it. It's not turned on right now, but holding it makes me feel official, and so I'm excited to use it. I don't know. Sorry, I tap on things a lot. We'll go into my mental health issues in another video, but you will probably hear me tapping, scratching, a bunch of different things like that. So I'm hoping if I have this to hold on to, it'll help me not have to tap and scratch and ASMR these videos. Alright, so another thing, I bought a bunch of colorful pens. I love colors, I love having fun, and I just want to use these pens to be more organized and to write down my thoughts and my ideas and my scripts. So I'm going to run them down in this beauty. I love this color. It's one of my favorites. And it's a really fun pattern on the inside. So as you can see, I've already started marking some stuff up and have some video ideas that I've already started planning. So I plan on doing that soon. I don't know how often I'm going to upload yet. I'm hoping on twice a week, but we'll have to see. Now, for the main event of this video, these are beads stress balls. I have pretty bad anxiety, and my husband was noticing that I was picking at my skin, rubbing my skin, so I was pretty much being rubbed raw. And he said I needed some form of stress ball. And, well, I didn't believe him. He said I need something to keep my hands busy so I'm not rubbing and scratching and picking at my skin. Now he bought these for me, and I take them with me everywhere. They come 3 to a box, which is nice. We let our kids play with them too. They're just little squishy with beads on the inside. It's really nice. It helps me. If I play with it, I concentrate a lot better on things, and I'm not so scatterbrained. So yeah, that's me. That's my little intro video. Also, I don't know how to edit videos yet, so this one, I don't know if it will need any editing. We will see. It's kind of short. But the other videos, I'm hoping to learn how to edit soon. And so, yeah. Hope you have a good rest of your day. And I will see you soon. Bye.